It's cooked pretty good. Real nice. Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna be cooking lamb 4/4 chops. I'm gonna make a French onion, put French onion soup over the top of it, and this will act like a sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna be making them in these trays because the air fryer, this one leaks. I would like to make it inside without the tray, but pretty big chops. Oh my God. That's all right. I have to put 2 in for now. So the French onion soup, saying 4 cups of water to one of these sachets. So this French onion soup, the cheap brand, the Woolworths brand, it's got these have got a lot of flavour. So that's why I'd rather use these than the other ones. The other ones have just got no flavour. I'm not going to put 4 cups in there. I reckon I'll just put maybe 1, so it ends up a bit thick. Oh yeah, mate. That might be enough. I don't have a whisk. Alright, got that all mixed up. I'll put a bit of salt and pepper in there. And we'll just pour all that in there. Just want to cover it. So we'll probably cook it for 10 minutes and then we'll turn them over, cook them for another 10 minutes or maybe less. Don't know, we'll see. I haven't done it, so in there. Oh, you know what I might do? I'm going to put some potatoes in with it, I think. Yeah. I reckon one will be enough. That'll do. Put them in. I reckon 10 minutes. We'll go 180. And then we'll give them a bit of a turn after the 10 minutes. Alright, let's have a look. Yeah, it's starting to look alright. I think might need a bit more water in now, I think. It's a little bit too thick. I'll just boil the kettle, put some hot water in it so it doesn't take as long. It's looking nice, smells nice. Put a bit of boiling water in there. Not too much. A bit of a mix. Mix it around. I've added more water. I reckon give it a maybe another 10 minutes, maybe less. I'll check it. We'll go another 10 minutes. Look, hopefully it's cooked. Ooh, looks pretty good. Yep, that's cooked. Looks pretty good. So it took about 35 minutes to cook all up. It's cooked pretty good. Real nice. A few veggies will go good with this as well. All mashed potato. That's good. See you in the next one.